Today's a good day. We're putting in the back seat. So I'm gonna need a hammer.
What kind?
Just a ball peen hammer, something I can. Josh?
Yo.
Is that a ball peen hammer?
I don't know why he's got to be that way.
You got that, Princess? It's 30 pounds. Okay.
No, it's not 30 pounds. It's about
Josh,
5
Go out
pounds.
to recycle.
Don't make them so tight they won't move a little bit.
They move.
Yeah, well, that was not moving much. Okay.
Wind up.
Well, I like that extra padding in there, don't you?
Everybody, Mark here from Graveyard Carz. I can't put the top up until you hit subscribe. So I'm begging you. Hit subscribe.